The Taj Mahal, one of the most iconic and famous landmarks in the world, is a white marble mausoleum located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. Here is a brief description of the Taj Mahal. 1. Historical background. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, who passed away during childbirth in 1631. Construction of the Taj Mahal began in 1632 and was completed in 1648. It took approximately 22 years to finish the main structure. 2. Architectural style. The Taj Mahal is renowned for its exquisite Mughal architecture, which combines Persian, Islamic, and Indian design elements. The central structure is a large white marble mausoleum with a symmetrical layout and intricate ornamentation. 3. Key features. The mausoleum is surrounded by a vast charbagh, or four-part garden, with geometrically arranged pathways and reflecting pools, providing a stunning reflection of the monument. The main gateway, known as the Darwaza-i-Roza, features intricate calligraphy and is made of red sandstone. The main dome of the Taj Mahal is an iconic feature, with a height of 73 meters, 240 feet, and a central finial. The interior of the Taj Mahal houses the tombs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, richly adorned with precious stones and intricate inlay work. The walls are adorned with beautiful floral and geometric patterns created using semi-precious stones like lapis lazuli, agate, and carnelian. 4. Symbolism. The Taj Mahal is often considered a symbol of eternal love and is one of the most famous examples of a monument built as a testament to a deep and enduring love between two people. 5. UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 in recognition of its cultural and historical significance. 6. Visitor information. The Taj Mahal is open to visitors throughout the year, except on Fridays. It is advisable to visit early in the morning to avoid crowds and witness the changing colors of the monument as the sun rises. The Taj Mahal stands as a testament to the architectural and artistic prowess of the Mughal Empire, and continues to captivate visitors from around the world with its timeless beauty and romantic history. Thanks for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel for new video.